Hello students. So today I am going to teach class 9 chapter number 4 linear equations in two variables. So first of all I would like to explain what is equation. So what is equation? In earlier classes also you are discussing about equations. So here I would like to mention the definition again. What is equation? The statement of equality. In simple words I am explaining. A statement of equality is called equation. A statement of equality is called equation. For example, 4x plus 7y is equal to 0. We can say this is equation. If I will write only like this, so we can't say this is equation. Have you understood? So what is the statement of what is the definition of equation? The statement of equality. So left side should be equal to right side. So if I will write here 0, so there are some values of x and y. After putting these values, we will get right side, left side 0. Then we can say this is equation. I hope you have understood what is the statement of equation. What is equation? So statement of equality is called equation. So in this chapter we will discuss linear equations in two variables. First of all, I would like to tell you about linear. An equation with degree 1 is called linear equation. Linear equation. An equation with degree 1 An equation with degree 1 is called linear equation. For example, 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. Here x is variable, so power of variable should be 1, not more than 1. If power of variable is 1, that is called linear equation. That is called linear equation. Now in this equation, how many variables? Variable means changeable. So only one variable is there, x. 7 is constant term and 4 is the coefficient of x. So this is linear equation in one variable. Now in this chapter we will discuss linear equation in two variables. So what is the form of a linear equation in two variables? Form of linear equations in two variables. The form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is very important. Every student must try to understand the form of linear equation in two variables. The form of linear equations in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have a, b, c are real number. First of all, every student must know what are real numbers. All the natural numbers, all the whole numbers, all integers, all rational numbers, all irrational numbers together are making real numbers. It means all the numbers, if we put together, are called real number. Root 5, this is irrational number, but this is real also. 1 by 2, this is a rational number, but this is real also. Minus 5, this is negative integer, this is real also. 2 is natural number, this is real. 0 is whole number, but this is real also. It means all the types together if we put, that makes that system is called real number. So A, B, C are real number. Just I told you 0 also real number. But in this statement, one point you have to keep in your mind. I have written A, B and C are real number, but A and B must not be I mentioned must. If A and B will be 0, so I will multiply A with this x, so it also will be 0. If I will multiply B, value of B is 0, so this also will be 0. So A and B must not be equal to 0. Then if they will be equal to 0, so only constant term is left, so we can't say this is linear equations in two variables. Understood? So the form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real number, but a and b must not be equal to 0. It's called linear equations in two variables. Have you understood? Okay, now solution of linear equations in two variables. Solution. Solutions of linear equations in two variables. Take any linear equation in two variables. 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. So this is linear equation because when 7 will be shifted this side will be minus 7 and that side is 0 already, you know. You can write like this also if you are confusing. Minus 7 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Shift 7 to that side. So now there are some values. If I will put this side, left side will be equal to 0. So after putting the, it means special values, the values, if I will put this side and result will be equal to 7, then we can say these are the solutions of the given equation. So which are the values after putting, if I will get 7? So there are 1 and 1. If I will put here 3 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1, so 3 plus 4, it will be equal to 7. So value of x should be 1 and value of y also should be equal to 1. After putting these values, left side is equal to right side. So these are the roots or these are the solutions of the linear equations in two variables. In next discussion, we will teach to you how to find the roots and how to draw the graphs of linear equation in two variables. So this is all for today.